Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by immediately stabilizing the substrate, degrease and sand to bright metal. Once done, protect yourself. Respirator, gloves, and eye protection are non-negotiable. Make sure to remove all rust with 8120 grit. Vacuum and tack cloth to pick up dust. Now apply a compatible metal primer in one even coat to lock out corrosion and promote adhesion. You're setting the foundation. Proper primer choice and timing determine whether the only way metal paint bonds and lasts. You'll mix the metal paint thoroughly until pigments are uniform. Strain through a mesh to catch lumps. Then choose your delivery. Brush for detail, HVLP spray for smooth metallic sheen. Apply the only way method in thin, overlapping passes. One pass, let tack level, then repeat. 2 thin coats beat 1 heavy coat for flow and adhesion. Make sure to keep ambient temperature and humidity in range so solvent release and metallic orientation occur correctly. This ensures consistent color and bonding. You finish by sealing the metal paint with a compatible clear top coat. Apply 1 to 2 thin coats after the paint has flashed and leveled. Once applied, allow full cure per instructions before handling. Rushing here traps solvents and weakens the finish. If problems occur, deal with them methodically. For orange peel or fish eyes, let cure. Wet sand 800-1200, clean, then recoat. If adhesion fails, strip to primer and redo prep. This single troubleshooting tip preserves your work and prevents rework.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.